What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back down at our main shop. We have this Monroe plow up on the 950 here. We're currently swapping the cutting edge on it. This plow had a rubber cutting edge on it, and we have a 12-foot center punch steel blade that we're going to put on here. But this plow came with like these keeper blocks on here that you would slide your top punch cutting edge up to, and obviously center punch will go over that. So we have to grind all of these off. A couple of them are knocked off already. 1, 2, and then the third one down there on the end. So in order to run a center punch cutting edge, you got to get rid of those. The rubber edge that was on there, you can see there's like indents in here from where they were sitting, but obviously the rubber you can just compress over top of it, so there was no big deal with that. We're about to grab a grinder and start cutting these off, and we're going to clean this up a little bit, paint the trip edge here black, and then get the new cutting edge on here. We do also have 2 leaking cylinders on this loader as well. You can see right here, bunch of oil dripping out of this one, and then this one is not leaking as bad, but it is leaking. So Matt is coming here tomorrow. If he thinks he can rebuild these on the machine, we're not going to take them off. We'll take these 4 bolts out, slide this piece out. This pin will come off pretty easy, and get all the new seals and everything in there. But if he thinks he'll have some issues, we're going to have to take these out. These are going to be tough to get out of here. Obviously, they're kind of tucked in there in the wheel wells, and your other pin is right here. So definitely not going to be easy to get those out, but we're going to deal with that tomorrow after Matt sees it and makes up his mind. Anyway, let's get some grinders and get these cut off of here. Nice. All right, now we gotta clean up those welds. Limpiar todo, nice and flat. And then we'll after you clean corte, ponerlo otro, el wire wheel, limpiar, y después pintar. Espera. Poner eso arriba. Yep. Come here, Paquito. Arriba. Oh, your loose is on. Abajo, Paquito. It doesn't fit. Arriba. Un momento. This one is on. Anthony, up a little bit.
No, you didn't move a little bit. You have one nut?
Yeah, I need to spin it. That's okay, it shouldn't go anywhere.
No, you put one nut.
Yeah.
No, él no va a poner. Él está en el video, yo no estoy en el video. ¿Ya? De nada, nieto.
There's one. I have 2 nuts. Thank you, Ricky. Thank you, Ricky. ¿Qué pasa? ¿Estás cansado?
So I think that the arm, take the plow off, put it out of the way.
Put it down.
Put it down, get these closed, get as much fluid out of the cylinder housing as possible.
We can get these.
Unpin.
We can get these pins out today.
Yeah. Lift this up in the air. And so then tomorrow Matt comes, boom, then he
So you think you have a chain hoist so they'll be able to lift this in the air?
I think you lift it with the forklift
Oh.
and then chain it up.
Oh, okay.
And then once you're done, bring it back down. Once Matt's got these in, bring it back down. Use your forklift to get it to the right height and put these right back in. And what he says to me is that once this is up in the air, he uses a forklift to pull these out. He puts.
So we need to get this way up.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, guys, we got the cutting edge all bolted on to the plow. We painted the bottom a little bit just to cover up the bare metal there. The oranges are a tad bit different, but maybe when this dries, it might look the same. We also painted the trip edge down here black behind the blade. Before we bolted it on, we're about to drop the blade down onto the ground. We got to take this plow off of here, and then we're gonna prep these cylinders. Matt is gonna seal them tomorrow right on the machine. So we're gonna drop this down, pull these pins out of both sides. Then we're gonna use our forklift and raise the arms back up, leaving these cylinders laying down here. That way he can pull them out tomorrow. He said he will pull them out with the forklift. So we got to get this up in the air and then chained to the I-beam there. That way it's out of his way. But first things first, let's get this plow off of it.
Okay.
Wait, but we need to put a pin.
No llega. Pero ¿cómo está grande? Con pelitos. ¿No caen? No, necesitamos un pin o un tornillo.
Yeah, but gordo.
Un poquito menos que esto, mira. Menos que eso. ¿Qué? Corte recto, como muy grande. Corte recto. Ese no puede. No, tienes que cortarte rectito, porque si tú le contienes torcido.
Oh, hey.
I told you.
Hey, where did that come down? You didn't have this.
We're putting a different pin in.
Oh,
well, we're trying.
yeah,
Let me look this up a little bit.
Yeah. You should have something under it.
no, this one.
Yeah, the other piston's still in.
Yeah, no.
Claro, no es que cree presión. Lo voy a textuir. ¿No sacó? Ya. Ya. Ahí está.
Okay.
¿Dónde está el pin?
Hey, can you hold that one? I got it. Yo hace.
Muñeco.
Métale el pin, muñeco.
No, this way, muñeco.
Otro, más grande.
Okay.
Y ese porque no cayó.
Now cycle like this.
Let me go outside. Let me. Jesus. Whew.
No idea, right?
Bueno, allá también era.
¿Y aquí no le toque? Ya, arriba. Más luego. Ya, arriba. Más luego. One more for the shape, like that. Back a little bit. Yeah, yeah. Espera. No, venga, súbela. No pasa nada, no pasa nada. Vámonos abajo, cachito. Oh, thank you, muñeco. Tú eres un nice amigo. Lo máximo de amigo. Tú eres un buen ecuatoriano.
Ready?
Watch the wall. This go down. No, la mía es cierta. Pues la de acá no. Pues si casa chica, no le va a hacer, no se preocupe. Live right there. Why you don't do Well, you want to okay? No, but live right there.
I was thinking maybe we go up a little higher.
¿Para qué? Oh,
Because we need to be able to we need to use the forklift. Matt needs to pull these out, he said. He takes these bolts and he pulls the whole thing out. Alright guys, we got this machine all prepped and chained up. The forklift is not doing anything right now. It's just kind of under it for extra safety. We do have two chains around it. One is kind of loose. One of them is tight to the chain hoist up there, holding these arms up. Matt said he's going to use this forklift and pull these cylinders apart and reseal them right here on the machine. So it should be much easier than pulling the whole thing out of there and doing it on a table or something. But it's going to be interesting to see how he does it tomorrow. I might make a video of it, I might not, but that is going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.